Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you some hope if you want to recover some file. So let's just say you have deleted some file, so what you have to do? First you have to, as soon as possible, eject this storage device with the data that you have deleted. Just do this as soon as possible. Do not save, do not write anything to this device. It may be you, it may be system, maybe like just prevent this process. Make sure that nothing will write anything to your device. Then also make sure that your PC will never write anything to the storage device that you are about to insert into your PC, and this is the storage device that you want to recover your data from. Then what you have to do, you have to launch your good recovery application. So for a very serious damage like big file, I would never recommend something like recuva or some free and cheap stuff because it will never work. I would recommend you to use some very good stuff like RSTUDIO. I like RSTUDIO because I always trust this application. But recently I found another application, this UFS EXLORER, which turns out to be also a very good tool because see, I have this file, 27 gigabytes. It is on my memory card, right? And actually, I recovered it from memory card. Now it's on my hard drive disk, so it was on memory card. It is 27 gigs. I recovered it in UFS Explorer. Now I also have new version of this application and RSTUDIO. I'm trying also this and this, just in the background, but I recovered this in UFS Explorer. So also please keep in mind that everything depends on your actions. So you see, I have timestamp broken, and some data in my archive is also broken, but actually it's broken only in the end of the file, and it is MP4 file, and it is absolutely playable. It is openable, it's working. I do not know why WinRAR, in this case it's WinRAR, it is archive, tells me that it's broken. See, it says it's broken, but it's working actually, it's okay. That's why I give you this note here that your data may be a little broken. And timestamp. So I know that RSTUDIO maybe probably will recover timestamp, but this application for some reason doesn't recover timestamp. But the most important part, it is data. Data, it is okay. I was very surprised to find that my data is okay because usually you divide your information into some bits, into some pieces to make it more recoverable, and as bigger file gets, the less chance of recovery, and it is good, it is intact. Alright, thanks for watching, have a good day, bye bye, have a good time, see you later in the next video about something very interesting or maybe not very interesting. Thanks for watching, I hope this video will help someone of you. Stay healthy, bye.